Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BRET token. Now the BRET token is a meme coin that's on the Basechain, and this is Pepe's best friend, one of these Matt Furie characters. Kind of looks like similar to Pepe with some crazy ears, and this BRET character is blue. And so this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the BRET token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today. We're going to go over a couple ways to get this token because this central exchange here is not available in everybody's country. So first of all, we'll go over this one though, because this just happened today. So March 6th, 14 hours UTC time, the BRET token got listed on Lbank. So if you're looking to get the BRET token and Lbank is available in your area, you can get this token by downloading Lbank from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or getting it on your PC. Open an account on Lbank, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BRET, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So that is one way to get the token. We'll go over a decentralized way to get the token in a second here. So, I mean, this 14 hours UTC time has already passed, so it is available now on Lbank if you are looking for it. So, BRET, a legendary character inspired by Matt Furie's Boy Club comic. Just like Pepe, don't miss the next billion-dollar meme to originate from the series. Now, obviously, that's just a guess, but their webpage is basedbret.com, B-A-S-E-D, BRET.com. This is on the Basechain, Coinbase's blockchain, and you can find them on Basechain. So they have a max total supply of 10 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on this token, and they have 6,830 holders. So you can check out their base scans, going to show you all sorts of transaction details and things like that. And there's been a lot of transactions going on because of these brand new listings and whatnot as of today. But yeah, so this token here, you can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen there, @BasedBret. Just joined in February 2024 on Twitter. That's how brand new this project is. A lot of holders in a short amount of time. Also, they already have 200 tweets, 6,275 followers. And you can see on that Twitter right there, there is a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. So it says, new to Base, let BRET help you on board with the best crypto chain out there. Follow the steps below and join the BasedBret community. So they actually just posted a step-by-step tutorial on how to acquire this token. You can follow that on their Twitter there, and on their link tree, they have a link to their Telegram, website, Twitter, DEX tools chart, DEX screener chart, a BRET YouTube playlist, BRET memes channel, and Warpcast fan channel. So just tons of links over there that you could check out on that link tree, right on their Twitter there. It also has the contract address on that link tree there, if you're looking for that. The blue mascot of Basechain is what they're calling it. So, if you go to their webpage, here's how you get the token in a decentralized way. In the top right-hand corner of their webpage, it says buy on KyberSwap. So you could click on that, or you could check. I mean, again, if you're not sure how to use KyberSwap, it will tell you step by step on their page. They have how-to stuff and all that type of stuff on there. But basically, you connect your wallet. First, you would fund your wallet with Base, through the Ethereum blockchain, and then you trade your Base for the BRET token using the contract address that you could find on that link tree. You can find it on their webpage. You can find it all over the place on their DEX tools chart. Now, their DEX tools chart we'll have a look at in a second. That's going to tell us how this token's doing. At Base to BRET on Telegram, 1,921 members on there as well. So they're doing very well on all their channels. So, Pepe's best friend, one of crypto's most significant cultural icons and the mascot of the Basechain. Who is Brett? Brett's character in particular has resonated with fans all across the globe who appreciate his laid-back attitude and love for video games. Pepe on ETH reached a $1.6 billion market cap. Wolf on AVAX reached a $30 million market cap. What will Based Brett reach? Well, we can look at what they've reached so far in a second. With a rapidly growing community of supporters, believers, and accelerating ecosystem in Base, and a potential Base airdrop. So that's what it says on their webpage. And they also have a little utility section here. It says they're going to have strong partnerships, a growing ecosystem, and community support. If you need to contact them, there's also a contact email at the bottom of their webpage there as well. So you can check all that out. But on their DEX tools chart, it says right now they have a $171 million market cap. So they're doing very well. That's more than half of what they just said about that Wolf token on AVAX. I might have done it. I think I did a video on that token too a long time ago. So it says circulating supply 10 billion tokens, 6,910 holders. Liquidity in SushiSwap, which is another decentralized exchange. So you could use SushiSwap or you could use KyberSwap. Two different swaps you can get this from if Lbank's not available or you don't want to use Lbank. Those are two different ways to get the token. 24-hour trading volume, $6.82 million right now. But yeah, $1.52 million in liquidity on SushiSwap, which is 197.7 pooled ETH. And they do have a quick audit on here. They got a couple alerts on their audit. It says tax is modifiable, so just be aware of that. One of them says transfers possible, but the other one says no. One says external call risk, max sell ratio, whitelisting, anti-whale. And yeah, so there's some warnings on their quick audit. So you should review that. Always review audits before investing in any tokens. These are just quick audits. Hopefully they come out with a full audit. But on their DEX tools chart there's some quick audits that you guys should check out because there is some security warnings on there. So just be aware of those warnings. Go check out this token before investing. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.